Miele's Blizzard CX1, powerful, innovative, hygienic. The new bagless vacuum cleaner from Miele excels in terms of suction performance. The passage of air through the machine is unimpeded, thanks to specially developed components such as the floor head, the suction tube, the handle and the hose. This, in combination with the streamlined air circuit inside the unit and the powerful motor, ensures that the Blizzard CX1 achieves exceptional dust pickup. Besides offering powerful suction, the Blizzard CX1 is particularly easy to empty. Thanks to the click-to-open function, the collected dust can be released from the container at the touch of a fingertip. The innovative separation of fine dust makes this approach particularly hygienic. In contrast to many other bagless systems, emptying the container releases far less fine dust. Proof of this is even provided by a certificate issued by an independent institute of filtration. But how is fine dust separated out? In the first stage of filtration, Miele's vortex technology separates the coarse particles from the fine particles. The rotating air reaches speeds of over 100 km per hour. This centrifugal force causes coarser, heavier particles to drop down through the center of the vortex into the transparent dust container. The air, now rid of its coarse soil, next passes through the funnel-shaped pre-filter. In the second stage, the fine particles enter a fine dust container where they remain attached to the folds of the Gore fine dust filter. Thanks to Comfort Clean, the Gore fine dust filter self-cleans once a certain level of soiling is reached. This keeps it permeable to air for longer. After just a few seconds, vacuum cleaning can resume. Manual cleaning of the filter is only necessary after a period of around 6 months. This involves removing the fine dust container and cleaning it under running water. This method completely avoids contact with dust, simply hygienic. Once dry, the Gore fine dust filter is ready for use again. The HEPA Air Clean Lifetime filter represents the final stage of filtration. It removes even the most minute particles, including, for example, allergens, resulting in the discharged air being cleaner than the ambient room air. And to avoid follow-on costs, the HEPA 13 Lifetime filter is maintenance-free, first-class hygiene, a vacuum cleaner lifelong. Miele's Blizzard CX1, powerful, innovative, hygienic.